Oh my god. Hi guys, Gemini Dazzy here. And I've been tagged. Yep, by Pear the Ninja or Fair the Ninja, one of them. If I spelled your name wrong, I'm sorry. So basically I've got to say 5 things about me that you don't know. Okay. First one, when I was younger, I used to have my toy cars, when I was about 5, 6. I used to play with them in the bath. In the bath. That's not embarrassing, people play with cars. Second question, I love chicken curry. Yep. I used to have it, well, I don't have it now, but I love chicken curry. I used to go to the Indian, yeah. Third one. I'm trying to think, it's very, very hard to think of something. I hope my battery doesn't run out. Oh, it's so hard! Damn it! Why are you telling me I've got to think now? I used to have a cat called Tipsy. Yep, my mum had a cat called Tipsy, and yep. Number 4. Must hurry up. When I go to bed, I take some tissue up. Yep, you never know when you might need it. And the fifth one, I used to shave. I shaved my legs once. Once. It was only once. Goodbye. It was once.